The United States is a big country, so spring is different for everyone. Somewhere gardens are already blooming, and somewhere there is still snow. That's why you have to dress differently. Someone already wears t-shirts and sandals, and it's too early for someone to put away his coat. But in any case, you should try to look stylish, because nature has no bad weather. There is only inappropriate clothing. You can look fashionable and stylish in the most ordinary things. Sometimes it is enough just to add one actual detail to the ensemble to be transformed. Casual ensemble with jeans. The main thing is to choose jeans of the current style and fit. Refuse from skinny, tight models look irrelevant. It is better to choose a variant with a loose fit, for example, jeans tubes. In the example, just such jeans of light blue color. The top of the ensemble is multi-layered. It is a white shirt worn loose, a light gray sweater of classic cut, as well as a classic black coat with a length just below the knee. The ensemble is completed with black boots and a semicircular bag with a wide belt. This set also uses jeans, but in white color. White jeans are not the most practical thing, but they look extremely effective, especially if the rest of the ensemble and pick up the rest of the things in a pastel color scheme. In the example, two jeans picked up a t-shirt very light shade of lilac color. The ensemble is complemented by an original combined raincoat sewn from two types of fabrics. The main fabric, monotonous gray-beige, additional fabrics with a checkered pattern in pastel colors. The image is complemented by white sneakers and a white bag of classic style. Spectacular ensemble with wide pants. The pants are wide throughout the length with pleats at the waist. A loose white t-shirt is added to them, which is partially tucked behind the waistband of the pants. The outerwear is a free light gray overcoat. Brown shoes and a bag of a similar shade were picked up to the set. Another interesting addition is a jewelry checker with a large flower. Friends, before continuing, please support our channel with your subscription and likes. And also do not forget to leave a comment after watching this video. Thank you. The basis of the ensemble is neutral beige color. This is a wide straight pants with arrows, as well as a free beige coat, straight coat, overcoat, below the knee length. This pair is matched with a bright blue sweater with a high neck. The sweater is tucked into the pants. The set is complemented with leopard print shoes and a brown bag. Another variant of an ensemble with a bright sweater, this time a sweater in orange shade. The set includes shortened wide pants with arrows and pleats at the waist, as well as a warm bomber jacket with a length below the hip line. The bomber is sewn from textured fabric. The image is completed with black high boots, a black colored knot, and orange leather gloves. Another stylish accessory is a dark gray baseball cap. This ensemble features wide gray pants with arrows. This time it is a traditional length model. A loose sweater with a high and voluminous collar was added to them, a sweater in a shade of bitter chocolate. To this stylish pair, added the already familiar gray overcoat, oversized, and dark gray baseball cap. The image is complemented by unusual shoes, mini Uggs on a thick sole, as well as a dark reddish-brown bag. This ensemble also features wide leg pants, light gray palazzo. They are complemented with a light gray sweater and an insulated quilted vest in golden beige color. The ensemble is completed with a brown bag and beige loafers with embossed soles. And if it is warm enough outside, you can start wearing summer dresses. for example, a light tiered dress of white color with a non-contrast striped pattern. The bottom flounce is cut in the opposite direction, so the stripes on it run horizontally. A long black jacket in black color was added to the look, as well as white short boots and a wicker basket bag. Remember, ladies, beauty is not only appearance, but also inner strength, self-confidence, and cheerfulness. Let every new day give you the energy to blossom, shine, and radiate positivity. You are beautiful at any age. The main thing is to remain young at heart and open to new impressions. Wear bright colors, experiment with trends, and create stylish images that will emphasize your individuality. Let your beauty, like an eternal classic, not fade with the years, but only grow stronger and better. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Put likes and participate in the discussions. More videos coming soon. See you soon.